Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Trading Q&A. Today I am going to show you a strategy has accuracy of 90% on forex market and crypto market and 80% accuracy of Indian stock market, especially on Nifty and Bank Nifty. If you are an Indian trader or forex and crypto trader, then it will be a good strategy for you. To start trading with this strategy, we need only 3 indicators and some candlestick knowledge. Number 1, super trend. Number 2, ADX and pivot point standard. After plotting indicators, you need some changes on indicators. Firstly, set ADX to average directional index and uncheck all, then go to time frame and set it to 15 minutes. Then come to pivot point standard and set traditional to Fibonacci. Then change this chart to 5 minutes. Remember, we are going to trade on 5 minutes chart. That's it. Now you are ready to trade. Now it is our time for entry conditions. Number 1 and most important indicator is ADX. Now draw a horizontal line on ADX at 20 because our condition 1 is ADX should above 20. Condition to look for super trend to show you green zone for buy and red zone for sell opportunities. Then wait for recent pivot level break. That's it. Now it is our entry time. Make sure you need to verify all the 3 conditions before entry. Remember, if you are an Indian trader, then ignore day's first 15 minutes candle and don't trade after 2:30 p.m. Put your stop loss just below the recent pivot break or recent price actions, or use below 1 ATR. Exit your trade at the next pivot level or at the recent price actions. In my opinion, at least target 1-2. Before implementing this strategy, at least do backtest for 15 times, then trade. For more videos on new strategy, price action concept and crypto, forex, Indian market updates, and for wealth building for your future with small investments, subscribe to my channel for daily videos.